Hi students, today we are going to discuss about ancient excavation, which is in the 5th standard social science, term 2, lesson 1, ancient excavation. Okay, let us go to the topics. Excavation. You know about the excavation. Then know about archaeologist. Then know some examples of excavations. These are the topics. Now let us move to the topics one by one. Now let us move to the next topic. The topic is excavation. Excavations can be classified based on the purpose of like planned and accidental or rescue. Most of the excavations are probably pre-planned and their purpose it is find buried evidences from the site. This is the excavation. Artifacts, the things that archaeologists find during the excavation area are called artifacts. Archaeologists can tell a lot about a people who lived there by looking at their houses, clothes, bones and other artifacts. So these are the things are called artifacts. Who is archaeologist? The archaeologist, they study the history of humans and place through the excavations and analyze the artifacts. You know what is the meaning of artifacts? The old things, that means the past peoples are used things. Then excavation gives us a glimpse of the past. So the next topic is archaeological site. An archaeological site is any place where there are physical remains of past human activities. It is called archaeological site. The next site, Indus civilization. Indus civilization is also called Harappan civilization. This was the first site to be excavated in the early 20th century in India. Baked bricks were found in underground. The site had a well-planned, proper sanitation system, proper well and a way to direct waste water to closed drains. There were advanced granaries, great bath and protective walls. It was found that this city and its civilizations were very advanced their time. So this is the special of Indus Valley civilization, also called Harappan civilization, which is in the northwest part of the India, near to the Indus River. So it is called Indus Valley civilization.